Okay, these will be some just brief instructions for the Reconcile Your Checkbook assignment. So there's quite a few instructions on the first page of this activity, but it tells us we're going to need our check register, our bank statement, and our reconciliation worksheet. The last two are within this document, and the check register, there is a link to it like earlier. So we have several steps, just like before. I'll just walk you through a little bit of it. So the first one is matching our checkbook register with our bank statement. If they appear on our bank statement, then we're going to check them off in the register, and we'll go through where to do that at. And this helps you know what things have not cleared the bank yet. So I'm going to scroll down, and then there's these other instructions. So we're just going to focus on one. So I'm going to scroll down here. So here they just give us a sample checkbook register, but we're going to use the digital copy. So like I said, this is just like that other assignment. I'm going to have to go ahead and make a copy of it. And so now I have access. So then we will go back to those other instructions. So now I'm going to come down here to my statement. So first we're going to go back and look for check number 6801. Make sure we put it was for $55.63. Okay, we did. So here the easiest thing is probably just making an X so we know that it came through. Notice that they have theirs for 2 lines. So it's athletic shoes. The second is just telling us it's the running shoes. So here we subtracted our amount. That's our new balance. We'll go ahead and look at one more. Then the next one is our payroll. It's going to be a deposit of $235. So look at that. That's the next one. So you'll go through the rest of those, marking these X's if they're located there on your statement. So that's what's step 1. You have more to do. So we're going to go up and read step 2 instructions. So if the transaction appears on your bank account statement, but it's not in your checkbook register, you'll need to add it. So maybe your bank charges you a fee at the end of the month or something like that, or you forgot to put down an ATM fee. So you'll have to add any of those things. Step 3, if a transaction appears in the check register that is not on your bank statement, then this we are going to list on the reconciliation worksheet. And then how do you know when you're done? Your checkbook register balance matches the adjusting. So kind of this number 3 is what we'll look at next, but we can't do a lot because you haven't went through your whole bank statement yet. But here's the reconciliation form. And so you would come back here and look for things that aren't checked off. Now remember, you have more to do, but let's just pretend 6804 is not checked off, $23. So that's what I would put in this box, 6804, $23. Add anything up that you need to. And then here we are pulling some information from our statement. So ending balance shown on our statement. We'll go up to the next page. And right here, closing balance, so $967.12. That will go here. If you have any deposits that are not on that statement, so that would be a deposit that you have in here, and it's not checked off, because it's on your statement, you'll put here. We'll add those together. Then any of our outstanding checks, that amount. So that's what we are calculating over here. So you will put that total there and then subtract. So then this amount should agree with what we have down here. If not, you need to go back and see, did I miss marking something off? Do I just need to, re-add or re-subtract? After you have that completed, then you're able to answer these 2 final questions. So hopefully that helps you to complete this assignment.